Hey guys, it's Jordan from BlackboxMyCar. Given the increasing numbers of electric vehicles on the road, we have often been asked the following question. What is the best way to install my dash cam in my electric vehicle for parking mode? With a conventional gas-operated vehicle, the answer is quite simple. To attain parking mode, the camera will need to be hardwired to the fuse box or to go out and get a dash cam battery pack. The Power Magic Pro from BlackVue and the direct BlackboxMyCar or ThinkWare hardwire kits would suffice in most cases, while a dash cam battery pack such as a Cellink Neo or BlackVue B124 is always recommended. The Power Magic Pro and hardwiring kits enable voltage cutoff to be selected on the dedicated module or within the camera's internal settings. This means that when the vehicle's battery voltage drops to the determined voltage cutoff point, power draw from the vehicle's battery is stopped, and thus allows sufficient charge for the vehicle to be started. With electric vehicles, this is a common misconception. My car is powered by a large battery which should offer ample power for the dash cam. Using a hardwire kit should allow for parking mode for as long as this battery has charge. Unfortunately for electric vehicle owners, this is not the case. Electric vehicles, and Teslas are no exception, have a very small 12-volt accessory battery for powering the electronics upon initially entering the vehicle. This includes and is not limited to door locks, windows, and other accessories. Because of this, when hardwiring a dash cam to the fuse panel to draw from this battery, the amount of recording our customers have been able to attain is very limited. Our solutions: battery packs. In order to bypass your electric vehicle's accessory battery, we strongly recommend installing an external battery pack such as a Cellink Neo or BlackVue B124 battery pack with your dash cam. A battery pack would be wired to an ignition switch ACC fuse that activates when your vehicle is on, or similarly switched 12-volt socket in the cabin. Upon installing on our own electric vehicle via hardwire, it is mostly a case-by-case kind of thing. Cars such as the Tesla and certain newer American vehicles do not have an interior fuse box, which makes hardwiring virtually impossible. However, in vehicles such as the Volkswagen E-Golf, the fuse box is located in the same interior location as a regular Golf, allowing for hardwiring to be almost identical between a regular hardwire and battery pack. It may seem redundant having to install a battery pack in an electric car. However, doing so will prolong the life of your accessory battery as well as increase protection for your vehicle. Having a dedicated dashcam battery pack will not only allow your cameras to record for a longer period of time in parking mode, but you will always be able to operate the starting functions of your vehicle with ease and without worry. Thank you for watching. For more information, please check out our website at blackboxmycar.com, and if you're in Canada, blackboxmycar.ca.